Boker Tov, it's Sunday. We're in Tel Aviv, walking down the streets because there is no cars. There are no cars. And today's going to be a great day. About to enter the rain. Ah!
Thinking back on the day that we first met, thinking about the past for a minute, I reversed steps. There you were, and I knew when our eyes met that you were precisely what was missing from my life then. I'd never met a girl quite like you, barely got to know you, but I'd like to. You just look.
So I was a little bit sick today, a little bit under the weather, just a sore throat and stuffy nose, so today's run's gonna be slow. For me, it's so surreal that in less than 4 days, I'm gonna leave this place. And even though it's a foreign country, it just seems like home. This is very interesting. Just stumbled upon a zoo in the middle of this park. We have an emu. Flashback to when Australia lost the war against emus. And a couple longhorns, which are native to the mountain areas. So, a few people have been asking me questions, and the most asked question is, why are you in Israel? So this time I'm on a trip called JNF, Jewish National Fund. And what it is, it's a non-profit organization, and it's an alternate winter break. So what we did is we did volunteer and service projects in the middle of the desert, the Arava, way down south Israel. And it was so much fun, as you saw in the videos, and it was so nice to work the land, give back. I didn't include all the volunteering, but I included most of it. And then another question is, who's my inspiration for these vlogs? And so for me, it's my dad, who was an animator in the past. It's Shuki, who's the director of the Broadway productions in Tel Aviv. And it's also Casey Neistat from YouTube. And with that being said, I've combined all three of their styles to create a unique style of my own with my unique little personal flair. And so that's my inspiration. So all the cool rap music that you hear in my videos comes from my really good friend. He goes by the name Westside Gravy. Check him out on YouTube. Very good.
When you said you felt the same, you don't want me to feel the need to be someone I ain't. Years down the road, gonna be together laughing about how the first time I saw you in my mind I was asking, Cupid, por favor.
Draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart. For me,
Cupid, por favor, ayúdame con mi amor. Mi amor por ti durará hasta la muerte y también después si yo tengo buena suerte. Cupid, por favor. She got me asking. Cupid, por favor, ayúdame con mi amor.
Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me.